Good morning, ma'am. This is M. Sai Banerjee from 19 MIS 1121. Today I'm going to present about my review one and 15 minutes duration about NLP concepts and 5 minutes about my review one explanation. First, in NLP concepts, I have chosen sentimental analysis, ma'am. Sentimental analysis is a branch of computer science and overlap heavily with machine learning concepts and conceptual linguistic sentiments analysis is the most complex text classification tool and analysis and an income message and tells whether the underlying sentiment is positive or negative nature. It is the process of computing identically identifying and categorizing expressions. Sentiment analysis is the concept of natural learning process and sometimes referred to as an opinion meaning all throughout the emphasizes in the case in the case is an extraction like negative 11% and positive 89% in analyze understanding. Examples of sentiment analysis are as follows. It is a product view positive or negative. It is a customer email satisfaction or dissatisfied based on a sample of tweets. How are the people are responding to this ad? Companion products are released now news items. Purpose of the sentiment analysis is to automatically classify a tweets as a positive or negative tweet statement wise. Who have the bloggers attributes about the present change since the election. More about sentiment analysis. Given a movie review or a tweet, it can be automatically classified in the categories, and these categories can be user defined positive or negative or whichever classes you want. Sentiment analysis for a brand monitoring sentiment analysis is a customer service. Um, Sentiment analysis for making research and analysis for the what is sentiment analysis? Uh, Identify the orientation of an opinion in a piece of text, like the smile, the movie was fabulous for the normal movie start Mr. X, and for the dull space, the movie was horrible. Uh, can be generalized to a wider set of emotions. For the motivation of the sentiment analysis, knowing sentiment is a very natural ability of a human being. Can be mission be trying to do it as aims at getting sentiment related knowledge, especially from the huge amount of information on the internet, can be generally used to understand opinion in a set of documents. Tripod of sentimental analysis are like in a triangle, each corner comes like consecutive signs and machine learning and natural learning process. The three comes under the sentiment analysis. These are the tripod of sentiment analysis. These are three types. Uh, Examples like the movie lacks a good story, good filing smile with a green symbol. The meaning changes with the different. different words that speaks the good meaning views for the positive response or else negative. And for the movie lacks are like yes minus or it's a grown symbol, dull space or green space. The sentiment analysis applications are like applications review detail analysis, developing hate mail filters, analogs to the spam mail filter, question answers, question answering, opinion or oriented questions may be involving uh, different treatment. These and all which are done by the it comes under the mission applications in sentiment analysis, or these are the types. And customers in this we can see that customer reviews the total number of reviews and how many 5 stars and 4 stars, 3 star, single star review, double star, 3 star, 5 star. In that we can see how many percentage for the each star in this, and so share throughout each the customer, and we can see that also. And most helpful customers like reviews comments, a warning not an all extras included by one. The edition does not contain all the comments by the each and particular person who is faced or used this. And we can see that on Amazon you have just a standard discuss with limited number of extras. And if you buy a borders, you can get extras including extended scenes about the movie, and then we can see in customer images like they send the images about the movie. I love uh, ratings and what are the pictures they have been added. And and if you buy at the Walmart, you can get sneak peek of Eclipse, which includes an Eclipse sensor. This Edward and Westin Jacob becoming Jacob, introducing the Wolfpack. Jacob fast forward, Edward fast forward, and shooting in Italy. Submit hoping you buy 3 copies so that all you can get see all the special features by divided up to the given number of things. Satisfactions by one, and it can be a day. And these are like this was like this the slide was about what was the reviews that are given by the users, third party people, by using or watching the movie. According to they, we can summarize that how many are single star and 2 star, double star, 4 star and 5 star, and all the comments by the given by them, and the pictures what they have been uploaded by the net. And this was a whole customer review. A sentimental analysis sample positive tweets like I love this car. This view is amazing. I feel great this morning. I'm so excited about the concert. This is my best friend. Sample navigative tweets, and I don't like this car. And sample negative tweets in sentiment analysis, like tweets. We can see the tweets which that have been sent. In that we can see the whether they are satisfied or not satisfied about the what we are presenting in that. And according to that, the tweets, like we can see that what was the negative and what was the positive. And in this negative, I don't like this car. Like they are not satisfied with that car, and this view is horrible. Like they're not satisfied with the view, and I feel tired this morning. And they're saying like their emotions, like they are not they are not feeling good, and with that we can see what their emotion. And I am not looking forward to the concert, and like they are not interested in coming to the concert. Like in many ways they are not satisfied with the other person, or with their sentiment. And he is my enemy, like it, in sentiment, in this, he is not my, like he was not satisfied with that person, like he was angry on that person. So, and these are the sample positive tweets and sample negative tweets, like in sentiment analysis, like whether we can see whether they're satisfied or not satisfied. In sentiment analysis process, the list of forward features need to be extracted from the tweets. The list of watch features needs to be extracted from the tweets. It is a list with every distinct word ordered by the frequency of the appearance. The use of feature extracted to be decided with the future are more relevant, and the one we are going to use returns a dictionary including the words are um, contained in contained in the input passed. These are sentimental analysis process. In that this comes the 4 points that comes with the sentimental analysis process. And these are the advantages in sentiment analysis, like social media sentiment analysis, like what are the like what are the uh, social media uh, they are showing their sentiments and their emotions in the social media. In that come this all comes under the social media sentiment analysis, like in like tweets, whether they're in their tweets and etc. And brand experience insights, like if they are buying any brands, whether they are satisfied or not satisfied. uh, in the first look itself, they are get interested or not interested in the project. And patient insights, whether the patient is okay with the doctor or not okay with the doctor, whether he is okay to get treatment with the doctor, and improve customer services, and like helplines, like talking to the clients whether solving their problems. And new trend analysis, when you say that the news, whether it is okay or not okay. And these are the all advantages of sentiment analysis, and these are the advantages for five. And what are the challenges in sentiment analysis? Like construct with standard text-based categorization, domain depends, scrams, throughout experience, the sentence word that consecuted overall of the sets are in majority. Uh, like examples, the actors are good, the music is brilliant and applying, yet the movie fails to strike a chord. And these are the exam challenges in sentiment analysis, and these are the movie example for that. Thank you, ma'am. This is about the first 15 minutes of the NLP concepts. In that, I've chosen sentiment analysis, and this was a deep explanation about the sentiment analysis and advantages, disadvantages, and challenges. Yes, ma'am. I'm doing the next 5 minutes. I'm going to say about my project title, sentiment and analysis of reviews with rules-based approach. That was my project title, and I'm from the G1 slot. My name is M. Saibanati, and my teammates are Akash, Motish, and me itself. Our abstract about my priorities. Sentiment analysis of human beings is a recent search field that grows exponentially throughout certain works have been published in a area. Much remains to be improvised in the terms of human attribute and accuracy. Sentiment analysis of text and sentiment analysis of speech and visual sentiment analysis have been approached earlier. In this project, we are doing the basic word sentiment analysis using tokenization of the words with Python. And I'll give about introduction about my project. Sentiment analysis is a powerful tool used to determine the overall emotion terms pieces of text, which increasing amount of user generated content online. Sentiment analysis has become a essential technique for the business to gauge customer satisfaction and understand their brand reputation. Once approach to sentiment analysis, this is the rule-based approach, which was defining a set of rules or patterns is identifying sentiment from the text. This approach relies on the predefined set of keywords for price that be associated with positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. These rules can be based on initiatives rules. Sentimental reactions are a combination of both rule-based sentiment analysis has several advantages or methods. On major advantages, it can be easily customized to suit a particular domain or concern. For example, a rule-based sentiment analysis system for restaurant review may include domain specific keyword related to food service and ambience. And methodology for the about the project is in this we'll be using basic tokenization, averaging of tokenized word throughout that. If the average is generated than zero, it is positive review. If it is less than zero, it is a negative view, and it is equal to zero, and it is neutral review. These are the methodology like for the we are using token votes, and we will be choosing for without percent we will be choosing it is a positive or negative or neutral view. and and algorithms we use like NTLK, like natural language toolkit for tokenizing. With this, we will be tokenizing and putting them into an array, and then average the array to get the review positive, negative, or neutral. Fine grained sentiment mainly uses sentence to analyze and do the analysis. Algorithm we use for the mainly is natural learning toolkit for tokenizing. This is all about my project which we are doing about sentiment analysis of a review with rule based approach. And this is about my thought and abstract and methodology and introduction, and what are the algorithms we are used uh, for the project. And and, and this is about my review one, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.